Welcome back to our channel Mechanical Engineering YouTube channel Mechanical Engineering Exams Made Simple. So we are actually discussing daily some questions, objective or subjective questions for your assistant motor vehicle inspector APPSC or TSPSC, which will be conducted mostly in this year. Let us hope for that. So let us on that positive note go ahead. So every time I found in number of your previous papers 2018 AP and 2015 Telangana and even previous papers also, there used to be one question on the Morse test and also one question on the efficiency of your auto or diesel cycle, basically auto cycle, involving the finding out of compression ratio, because he will give the clearance volume and stroke volume. From that you have to derive the compression ratio and use that in the expression for efficiency, right? That problem was every time almost coming, and definitely you can expect one question from Morse test. So what is Morse test, by the way? It is a test conducted on multi-cylinder engine to find out the mechanical efficiency. What is mechanical efficiency? Brake power by indicated power. What is brake power? Power available at the crankshaft. What is indicated power? It is the power available in the cylinder because of some mechanical losses through connecting rod, then your crank and bearings and pins. There will be some loss, that's called frictional power. If you subtract frictional power from indicator power, the power available in the cylinder, you are going to get what is known as brake power, or the power available at the crankshaft, right? So let us see how actually this is going to do. In this test, what we are going to do, we will run the engine by all the cylinders operative, and we will measure the brake mean effective pressure by way of your dynamometers. Dynamometers are used to determine the brake power, right? Next, so then continuously you cut first cylinder. So by cutting off your spark plug or your injector, okay, fuel injector that supplies the fuel. So both ways, CA engine and SA engine. So both engines, this test can be conducted, but normally it is conducted for your CA engines or your diesel engines. So now let us go further. So your mechanical efficiency is equal to brake power by indicated power. So consecutively second cylinder is cut, made inoperative, third cylinder made inoperative, and fourth cylinder made inoperative. So by doing so, what we are getting, what we are able to get, so we are going to get the indicated power of the cylinder being cut. For example, four cylinder engine, multi-cylinder engine, you are cutting the first cylinder, okay, you are making the first cylinder inoperative. So if you subtract the brake power of the four cylinders working, that means let us say one is not working and 2, 3, 4 are working. So if you subtract the brake power of the engine when the engine cylinders 2, 3, 4 are working from the brake power of when all the cylinders are working 1, 2, 3, 4, let us say it's a 4-cylinder engine. So then you are going to get the indicated power of the cylinder being made inoperative, that is first cylinder. And similarly you are going to repeat the same procedure by making inoperative second cylinder, third cylinder, fourth cylinder, like that. If it is 6-cylinder engines, then you go for fifth cylinder, and sixth cylinder will also be made inoperative, and you are going to get the indicated power for the separate cylinders, the cylinders which made inoperative consecutively, right? So in this way you are going to get IP of the indicated power of the first cylinder, second cylinder, third cylinder, and fourth cylinder. So you sum up all these things to get the indicated power of the all cylinders. Already you got the brake power when the all cylinders are working at some constant speed. So you can find out the by summing up all the indicated powers of the cylinders which are cut or which are made inoperative. So if you divide the brake power when the engine is running at a constant speed with all cylinders working by divided by the indicated power of the all cylinders summed up, that means all the four cylinders, that means the total indicated power of the your engine, like for example 4-cylinder engine, IP1, IP2, IP3, IP4, some of them, and if you divide BP by IP you are going to get the mechanical efficiency. For this particular problem, let us see. So, and one more thing here in this problem, if you analyze carefully, the units are in kilowatts, that means kilojoules per second. Joule means Newton meter. So definitely your units must be in meters. For example, your length dimensions or your diameter and stroke. Bore is also called diameter of the piston, and stroke they are given in mm. So you have to convert them into meters by dividing with 1000. So your bore is given as 75 mm and stroke is given as 90 mm. So divide by 1000 and get in meters. So this is the thing you have to observe, you have to keep it in mind. So now he is saying that a gasoline engine working in 4 stroke develops a brake power of 20.9 kilowatts. A Morse test was conducted on this engine and the brake power kilowatts obtained when each cylinder was made inoperative by short circuiting the spark plug are 14.9, 14.3, 14.8 and 14.5 kilowatts respectively. The test was conducted at constant speed, right? The speed is given to be 3000 rpm. N, capital N, is equal to 3000. And one more thing, you have to be very careful whether it is a 4-stroke engine or 2-stroke engine. For 2-stroke engine, the number of working strokes per minute is equal to the speed, that means N rpm of the your engine. And in case of 4-stroke engine, it is N by 2, small n, that is number of working strokes is equal to number of revolutions per minute by 2. Number of working strokes per minute is equal to number of revolutions by 2 in case of 4-stroke engine. This is one more thing you have to keep in mind. And next thing is that you have to apply the formula. What is the formula? Your formula is B, brake mean effective pressure, or let us say BP. Let us go for BP. That means BP is equal to brake power is equal to PM LALAN by 60,000, right, into K. 60,000 K. K is the so K will not come here. K will come in the nominator. Let us say here, let us include this here. So this K is the number of cylinders. For one cylinder, the brake power is equal to PM LAN by 60,000. For n number of cylinders, for example, it is a 4-cylinder engine, let us say, right? It is equal to PM LAN into 4, that means 4 cylinders by 60,000. So from this you have to get, let us say here it is brake mean power. Let us say BP means BP is equal to brake mean effective pressure into LANK by 60,000. Right, from this you can get PMB, right, is equal to 60,000 BP by LANK. So let us write down. So your brake mean effective pressure is equal to 60,000 BP by LANK. K is the number of cylinders. So yes, what is area of the cylinder? Area of cross section of the piston, it is pi by 4 d square. So you already found out d, which is equal to 0.09 meters, 90 by 1000. And similarly, d is equal to 75 by 1000, that is 0.075. And stroke L is equal to 90 by 1000, that is 0.09 meters. 0.075 meters is the bore diameter, and 0.09 meters is the stroke after dividing with 1000, right? So everything we got now. Now you can substitute these values in the equation and you can find out the brake mean effective pressure. So let us go through this. So IP of the first cylinder is equal to BP, brake power, all the cylinders working 1, 2, 3, 4, minus except 1, all the other cylinders working, that is 2, 3, 4 working. So I got 20.9 minus 14.9, that is 6 kilowatts. Similarly, IP2 is equal to BP 1, 2, 3, 4 minus BP 1, 3, 4, 20.9 minus 14.3, that is 6.6 kilowatts. And next, IP3 is equal to BP 1, 2, 3, 4 minus BP 1, 2, 4, 20.9 minus 14.8, 6.1 kilowatts. IP4 is equal to BP 1, 2, 3, 4 minus BP 1, 2, 3, 20.9 minus 14.5, that is 6.4 kilowatts. Now you sum up all the IP indicated powers of all the cylinders, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I sum up, I am going to get the total IP of the cylinder, IP of the engine, which is having 4 cylinders, is equal to 6 plus 6.6 plus 6.1 plus 6.4. So that is going to give me 25.1 kilowatts. So N mechanical efficiency is equal to BP by IP into 100. Brake power by indicated power into 100. Substituting this, I am going to get 83.3%. Friends, you have to be very, very careful here. Your efficiency, mechanical efficiency of any engine, IC engine, normally lies between 70 to 90%. If you are getting the answers less than 70% or more than 90%, you have to suspect somewhere you have gone wrong. Either while taking the number of working strokes per minute like that, okay, you will be getting in that case either the double the answer or half the original answer. Okay, so please be careful. And here, yes, according to our assumption, so definitely you got mechanical efficiency is equal to 83.3%, which is well in the range of 70 to 90%. Now coming to brake mean effective pressure is equal to, just now I told, BP into 60,000 by LA and K. Substituting BP is equal to, it has been given where all the cylinders are working, 20.9 kilowatts into 60,000 by L is equal to 0.09 pi by 4 d square. It is the area of cross section of the piston. If d is the diameter, pi by 4 d square is the area of cross section of the piston into length, that is going to give the displacement volume, A into L, displacement piston area into stroke length, it is going to give the displacement volume or stroke volume, pi by 4, that is pi by 4 into 0.075 whole square into here, because it is a 4-stroke engine, so number of working strokes per minute is equal to small n is equal to capital N by 2. So n capital N is equal to RPM is equal to 3000. So number of working strokes per minute is equal to 3000 by 2. That's what he has substituted into number of cylinders is equal to 4, because it's a 4-cylinder multi-cylinder engine. So substituting that, I have got 5.25 into 10 power 5 pascals. Friends, here 1 pascal is equal to 1 Newton per meter square. And one more thing you have to keep it in mind, 10 to the power 5 pascals is equal to 1 bar, right? I have got the answer in bar, and you have to specify, normally the answers will be given in bar only. Okay, so you have to specify the brake mean effective pressure of an IC engine in terms of bars. So I got 5.25 into 10 to the power 5 pascals. So dividing with the conversion factor 10 to the power 5, I am going to get the brake mean effective pressure of the 4-cylinder 4-stroke multi-cylinder engine given in the problem is equal to 5.25 bar. Okay, friends. So like this, we are going to discuss good questions, objective questions, as also your subjective questions also. Daily, we are going to see one video related to your assistant motor vehicle inspector for APPSC and TSPSC. Friends, I am conducting online batches. Number of batches have been completed. Already Telangana batch is going on. It is going to be completed. 95% of the syllabus is completed. I am the lone faculty. There is no change in faculty, and you need not come and expend for your stay here Hyderabad. Wherever you are, Karimnagar, Hyderabad, Andhra, Telangana, right, whichever the district you are staying in, maybe Rayalaseema, maybe Andhra, maybe Telangana, any district. So you can call me. So we are going for online coaching by the mode of first of all WhatsApp video calling, then WhatsApp voice calling, because actually if I teach for entire session, say let us say 1 hour coaching on video call, lot of disturbance will be there because all the members will be watching. So first I will give the introduction through WhatsApp voice call, WhatsApp voice call, video call, and then I will explain the topic for, say, for example, 10 to 15 minutes in through WhatsApp voice call. Everybody will be able to listen, and then and there they can clarify your doubts. Actually, friends, I tried with a number of apps and also what you call your recorded sessions. They are not proved to be effective because actually there is no interaction between the faculty, between the teacher and the student. So that's why I have chosen this particular method, WhatsApp video calling initially, and then WhatsApp voice call for teaching, for WhatsApp video call for introducing the topic, right? So I am going to support you for the entire material. I have made 1000 question bid bank in the form of PDF, that is ebook. Whoever wants, that is only cost is only 1000 rupees, friends. You can mail me. My mail ID is sridhar.bpelli@gmail.com. I will give in the description. So if you want that material PDF, which is in ebook form, 1000 questions with explanations and answer for only 1000 rupees only, that comes to be around 166 pages material. And throughout your coaching, right, 4 months you need actually for completion of your automobile engineering second paper. I am giving coaching for only that only. 4 months you need actually, because it is very much required. I am going to teach you for approximately 120 to 140 hours of teaching is definitely required. So after the exam, you can contact me at any time. So my support will not only for your 4 months of coaching, it will be for your entire till the examination time. You can call me, you can mail me, or you can voice call me, you can video call me, right? Clarify your doubts also, right? So number of people have already taken So many people have taken from Andhra, and already one Andhra batch is going on, APPSC batch is going on, and TSPC batch is also going on. Number of students are joined TSPC batch, and number of students are joining, have joined your Andhra batches also, friends. Okay, so my entire support, your current material will be there, running material will be there. So these lessons or teaching will be through videos, YouTube videos, explanation of videos and derivations, problems, simple problems, on exactly on the pattern of your examination, like only 2 steps problems, right? So I will take care of everything, okay, till the time you get sufficient confidence to face the exam boldly and confidently. And definitely, if you work hard, definitely you are going to be succeeding 100%. This is the guarantee, right? But only thing is that you have to work a lot. Not only just my teaching will do, but you have to work a lot. Okay, friends. So let us meet in a very nice video, right? As far as fees is concerned, friends, because actually it is beset with actually your syllabus is a lot of difference. Okay, it's neither your automobile syllabus nor your mechanical syllabus. It's completely totally different, right? So everything, so all the different topics are there, even whether it is Andhra syllabus or your TSP syllabus. In Andhra syllabus, lot of things are there, like your emission control. It itself is 8-line syllabus is there, and probably the topics, many of the topics are which you have not studied, either your diploma, during your diploma or your degree. Even for TSPS also, it is totally different. IC engines, automobile engineering, body chassis construction, then automobile engineering servicing and maintenance, then your motor transport organization, including your special purpose vehicles. Not only this, all mechanical topics are also there, like your thermal engineering or thermodynamics, your strength of materials, engineering mechanics, productions, materials, and also fluid mechanics also included. So your syllabus is very tough, very vast, very variant, right? And for your coming to your APPSC syllabus, right, your IC engines number of topics are covered, and automobile engineering, a lot of syllabus is there, automobile engineering, and including that your mechanical syllabus is also there, right? And control systems is another area which probably you might have not studied. So keeping all these difficulties and the number of hours of teaching, right, and also let us say 4 months of coaching, right? So approximately 120 to 150 approximately I am going to give the coaching for this number of hours. So keeping all this in view, I have kept very reasonable fees, friends. Okay, actually because of COVID, number of institutions have increased their fees like anything, right? Earlier in some of the institutions the fees was around 25,000, now they have made 40,000, 50,000, like that. Okay, so even I am charging very less, and that also you can pay in installments every month only, very reasonable and very affordable amount, right? So if you are interested for coaching, please mail me at sridhar.bpelli@gmail.com. So let us meet in a very good video, nice video, subject video, and also objective questions bits video very shortly. All the best, good luck.